Hey guys, peace, Silverman Adventures Fishing here. How's everybody doing? I'm making a little video. I went the other day. I haven't been going for a while because I've been under the weather. Had my hand operated on for some trigger fingers. When your fingers want to stick and they don't want to come back out. So I had the surgery done on my fingers there, so they should be good in another week. But I went out right before I had my surgery and it was super cold. In the video I said it was like 50 something. My buddy texted me while I was fishing today. Are you out of your mind? It's like 48 out there, and I was out there at 5 in the morning. Really not a good day of fishing, but it's just, that's why they call it fishing. You don't catch something all the time. So hope you enjoyed a little short vid. And I did catch one redfish, missed two big snook underneath the dock, 3 or something like that. But it was just getting out, wanting to go, because I didn't want to be stuck in the house. Because we had all these cold fronts coming, super cold weather, super windy. The wind's been bad this year, ever since last year. So I had to go out, and the tide's been not even close to what the tide charts say. So either ways, guys, I appreciate y'all. Enjoy the short little vid. I promise to be better this year. I got a bunch of new places I'm going to go. And I'm even going to get my butt in the water, in my wetsuit, and spear some stuff this year. I don't care if I can see in the water or not. I'm going in after them. So to give you something different to watch this year. All right, guys, the bow fishing should be coming up pretty soon. Tilapia will be bedding up. I'm going to try and get some tilaps. So anyways, guys, I'm looking at my screen, so don't mind me not looking. So anyways, appreciate all the new subscribers, guys. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Tell your friends. Have me get up there. Maybe I'll get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. If I'm lucky, I've got 576 now. That's cool. I'm still happy. I was surprised that anybody's watching me in the first place. Anyways, guys, again, thanks for watching. All my special people, special friends, miss all you. And hopefully one day I get to see them people too. All right? Peace. Enjoy the vid. Silverman Adventure Fishies. I'm out of here. Good morning, guys. It's PG here, Silverman Adventures Fishing. Peace, how you doing? Got the GoPro on my chest. It's 58 degrees or 52 degrees. You can see the breath. I'm gonna try for some fish. I haven't been here for a while. I'm gonna try back here. Usually got the lights, a couple boats in the way of the lights, but now the lights are out. So there's a couple to my right. So I'm gonna see what I can get here. The wind's blowing from the northeast, so I had to come back here and try and catch something. Alrighty, let's see. Got my new line on here. Hopefully I get something. Just wanted to let you guys know, appreciate all my new subscribers. Went up pretty good the past couple weeks. Appreciate y'all. Well, guys, nothing by the lights. I had one bite that broke me off. Beautiful sunrise. It's still 50 something. Still cold. My little tootsies are cold. But that sun's supposed to get up warm to 75, so hopefully you do it. Hopefully I catch you something, guys, and catch you something to eat during the day. All right. God bless. Beautiful life. Got something, guys. I don't know what it is. It's a little redfish. Alrighty, guys, not skunked. Not skunked, guys. Well, guys, I hope we caught that little part before my camp, before the thing goes right to where I can't. Alrighty, guys, caught a beautiful little redfish here. Here we go. I'll measure them just in case. Alright, we'll measure this little dude. Just to see. Alright, guy. And he is 15 in the sun. Beautiful little red, guys. See you, dude. Got some crazy dolphin up here, guys. Chasing some stuff in the shallows. See it? Look at them. Crazy. Oh, that's a dolphin or a shark. I don't know. Alright guys, it's a crazy dolphin right here in front of me. Chasing something. I know it's pretty shallow here. Freaking wind's coming up again. There he is, right in front of me. Hey dude, you're fishing pretty shallow like me. Alright guys, got a little snook here. Oh yeah, gone. I knew I'd get him. Oh, he went right towards that pylon right there. Got me again. Yeah. Oh. I told you I'd get him. He just got me now. Well, guys, I had 3 snook break me off underneath the same dock this morning, and I didn't break off the second one. He just fell off. I think I got him in the video, or I almost got him with the net, and then went back. Something big jerked me to the pylon, went right to that pylon again, busted me off. Whatever's underneath there is big, and I can't control it, even though I got a good stout rod and all that. So anyways guys, I was here at 5 in the morning, freezing my booty off, and then now it's like almost 2. It's warm, so I had a good time, good exercise on my knees. I can feel that. Oh yeah, baby. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I don't even know if I make this a video because it was nothing, just all misses. And 1 redfish. I did catch the red. Okay guys, God bless y'all, love you, see ya. Go Silverman Adventures. I'm out of here fishing.